Hey there, John Hooks here from John-Hooks.com. I am what would be the members area of Aprelo. For some reason, the password has changed on this demo copy. I'm not sure if it was done accidentally or on purpose, so I can't get back into it. But there is a demo video of it on my bonus page. And speaking of which, let's get on over to my bonus page so we can go ahead and talk about this. So from YouTube, beneath this video, click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Aprelo here. Click on that link and it'll take you to this very page right here. All right, so imagine getting paid about $50 over and over again with this new artificial intelligent web app using its unique text and voiceover technology. The AI translates text and generates voiceovers using any computer or phone in a single click. So what is this? Highly advanced AI copywriting and marketing software built after years of experience by marketers to eliminate your copywriting, voiceover, and publisher roadblocks. With Aprelo, anyone can create jaw-dropping and conversation-focused text copy for multiple niche or industry. Plus, it also creates high-quality voiceover and publishing them using a built-in and advanced publisher within minutes, all from one single dashboard. It makes it affordable, fast, and easy to create sales-driven content and can convert that content into high-quality voiceovers, in 50+ languages, along with the built-in publisher that your customers can use to publish that content in a few clicks. Aprelo A.I uses the latest artificial intelligence tech, fine-tuned and customized to generate copy, create professional voiceover, and publish everything in a few clicks via its built-in publisher, all from a single dashboard. So once Aprelo is activated, getting paid $49.65 over and over again becomes easier. Plus, software generates natural-sounding voiceovers with any text. Set it up once and continue to profit from it. Tons of happy users. You don't need to record your own voice. A powerful AI engine that generates conversation-focused content. No extra fees ever. Total newbie friendly. Write high-converting content using more than 50 copywriting templates. You don't need to know any foreign language whatsoever. Step-by-step training is included. No experience or hard work required. Works with over 100 languages, over 600 natural male and female voices to choose from. One-time payment while during the launch period, and online getting consistent payments. So, here's where I would have taken you back and gone through the actual demo of it. My apologies. This must have happened within the past 6 or 8 hours. Last time I was in it looking around, there is training involved, or training tutorials on each aspect of the program. So, not sure what happened. But like I said, there is a demo video which I'll show you on this page, so you can bookmark it and come back and watch it. So the price for the front end of Aprelo is $17. All right, then we have some upsells. OTO number 1 is the Aprelo Pro for $37. So you can unlock the power of Aprelo with the Pro version, get unlimited versions of everything. You can add backgrounds, you can merge voices, convert big ebooks, and much more stuff. OTO number 2 is Aprelo Done For You for $67. Get the done for you content presets to earn you more money with Aprelo. OTO number 3, Aprelo Publisher for $47. Publish your generated content for you or your customers with Aprelo Publisher version. OTO number 4, Aprelo Agency for $97. You can start your own agency with Aprelo Agency and charge monthly fee, to your customers. You can create up to 100 accounts for users from your own dashboard. OTO number 5, Aprelo Reseller for $147. Of course, you get the reseller rights to sell Aprelo and keep 100% of the profits. This does come with the money-back guarantee. Here is the demo video, and go ahead and and grab that. My demo was going to be about if I go through about 15 minutes. I don't want to make the review 30 minutes long. But here it is. Go ahead and bookmark my bonus page and come back and watch that. And also at any time you can go ahead and click any of the red banners on my page to go ahead and get your copy of it. So I do have some bonuses for you. Bonus number 1, sales copy secrets. This is to go along with this program specifically, and this is my digital download version. So it's a flip book, really neat. You'll like that. Bonus number 2, to help you get some traffic. 5,000 visitors plus 2,500 text ads and 2,500 banner impressions. Bonus number 3, called Affiliate Takeover. This year you're going to drive more leads and sales from on-demand traffic. Bonus number 4, the monthly income system. And bonus number 5 are the bonuses that Aprelo has passed on through me to give to you when you pick up Aprelo through any of my links here today. Okay, and so gosh, really quick it was today here, but anyway, this is sold on the Warrior Plus platform. Once you go to your secure checkout, you'll be taken to your purchase page, and then you'll click on the green button to access Aprelo, and you'll click on the blue button here to access the bonuses that I'm giving to you myself. All right. Listen, apologies for the technical issues there, but I want to take the time to thank you for taking your time to check out my video and my review of Aprelo, the bonuses it had to offer. And don't forget about the review video here. Come back and take a look at that. Let me go ahead and ask you to please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to do that thumbs up and find that alert bell. Thank you. Well, that is it. I hope you have a fantastic day ahead of you. And as always, to your success.